Okay, so today we're playing Blade of Sorcery again. And we're going to be playing with the Second Amendment. Wanna know why? Because I want to, bro! I want to! That means we're gonna make a new person. Sandbar, save, select, auto height, play. Oh! Like, well, bro, like, damn, bro. Like, come on, Neil. Like, come on, Neil. Wait, dude, what happens if I try to play in, like, when if I'm, like, short as shit? Short king. Short king. Short king. Short king, bro. You're just a short king. Why should I kill counter? There we go. Oh. All we need is some gunpowder. A flintlock. And a musket. And then the musket ball pouch. For, also for flint blocks. Just ammo. Bottomless quivers. Infinite imbue, infinite arrows, infinite focus, infinite spellcasting, but no player invincibility. Let me show you how this works. For example, take a flintlock, gunpowder, looks like this. Boop. Then take this ball, take this out, stick it right in there, and then pull this back, and then you shoot. But the same goes for the musket. It's just like a lot bigger. Like, for example, like this. And then pull it back. And you fire. So essentially, it's the Second fucking Amendment. Oh. Ow. Little hill. Okay. Good to go. Is the fucking wave thing in there? No, it's not. That's fucking weird. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the Citadel. Wonder why? Cause I feel like it all. And there's nothing you can do about it. Cause I'm better. Cause I'm bigger and I'm stronger, and there's nothing you can do about it, little boy. Cause I'm bigger and I'm stronger, and there's nothing you can do about it, little boy. And I'm gonna put in the video. Because I, don't really listen to that, and then, yeah. First, I don't move all my guns. Same goes for you, sir. There we go. Kablooey! Kaboom! 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 Alright, we're gonna be doing a soldier duel since, you know, it's 1 versus 1. I don't know what you all expect. Hey, sir! Sir! Step away! Hey! Sir! Sir! Don't! Ah! Stay back! Oh, fuck! Oh no, I killed him. I killed the guy. Oh, you're alive. I mean, it doesn't make me feel any better. But at least you're semi-okay. So for now, how are you not dead? Get the fuck away from me! Oh, wait. This is better. What the fuck? Get away. I command you to get away. Or not. You're gay. Okay, I guess so. Get away, sir. Sir, get away. Oh god. Okay. I guess that's how it's happening, I guess. Get away from me. I have a gun. Don't try me. I said don't try me. I said don't try me. Okay? Get away. Please, just get away. Come on. I don't want to hurt people, but I have to. Wait, the gunpowder! Where's this gunpowder? Oh my god. Gunpowder. Ow, you stupid bitch! Yay, stupid! You're stupid! I have a shotgun. Fortnite battle pass. I just shot out my eyes. Damn. Okay. No, not so nice. But I can get out with, but you know, I could deal with that. They bust my ass! What you get? You stupid bitch! Okay, I really want to learn how to, you know, load this. literally all I know. And then you put it back. So then fire goes like this. Oh! Fuck! That's cool. And then it can also be used like this. Oh, okay. Now I know what I want. Thank you. Dude, this is sick. I want you to stay still, please. All you do is not stay still. You know, it quite gets annoying sometimes. You know what? I just like you. I hate that! I'm just based. Bro, my ramrod! Wait, so this is used for any gun. You don't need to have specific things, because the hand-gunny thing, the ammo still works for it. It just soaks it to like an actual thing. Yeah, stay there. And face this flintlock. Stupid asshole. Actually, I want to see, is there, actually, you know what, I might just have a, double musket. You know what, I don't, because this will be good for, like, you know, like, actual things. But, like, for the execution, it's the flintlock. It's just, like, the main. Stand your ground. Even though I do like reloading it, it's actually really cool. Yeah, you're dead. Say goodbye. Or not. You still get to live for another, you know, 1 second. 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. You get to live for another, like, 1 second. Damn! You know, sometimes even British soldiers, you know, need a sword. So. Woo! Damn! Okay, bitch, okay. 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 You know what? I'm gonna replace the flintlock. Nope, I'm not. You know what? I'm gonna, put the flintlock on the weapon rack. Down here. Because I'm not getting rid of the flintlock. So that's good. Just a flintlock. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't need that anymore. Alright, look, okay, I'm gonna start with a clean slate, alright? Swords. We always need a sword. Field machete. Oh yeah, Gabriel's sword. Lord's sword. Gabriel's justice. Limbo. Lost. All gone. With gluttony. Soon to follow. So, yeah, you already know I'm having these. Ending here and now. Gabriel 10 minutes later. Man, I just got clapped by a fucking machine again. That's actually what happened, bro. Gabriel got his ass clapped in under 5 minutes. He was like, ending here and now. What? What? And be like, shouldn't change it. Maybe like, he was like, where the fuck is the machine going? Next thing you know, he just sees this. Oh shit! Why the hell is a machine on a fucking rocket? Kabam! 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 And then our character is gonna have aerial swords, because you know he's based. Yeah, I said it. I said it. And then our character is gonna be wearing. Character's gonna be wearing the Marauder stuff, because you know, like I said, he's based. Two eyes. And then the modular greaves, or whatever they're called. The pauldrons. And then, yeah, just the whole entire kit of Marauder. Because, you know, dude, it looks sick. And then, for his two other things through here. Okay. The black suit. I don't know. Oh shit! I forgot I had this. Skeleton arm. That arm. The skeleton hands. Skeleton legs. Skeleton body. Skeleton feet. And then skeleton head. The skeleton head. Dude. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's just gonna be a Marauder. But for these, I'm gonna put one. Dude, it's about to go fire. Okay. And then for this side, I'm going to have the one and only. No. Okay. How are we gonna go realistic, okay? Like, how about we actually have a gun? You know, our guy needs a gun. Well, of course, I'm still gonna be using these swords because I really do want to. But if everything does not go right, see like this. And we also have, if the lightsaber don't work, we got this. Which games has the most? Okay, which game in all VR community, in the whole VR franchise, has like, in like the whole entire VR like thing, has like, it's like the best game ever. Like its gun sucks, but its reloading is amazing, and it has the best modding community. Dude, that's just a short way of saying Blades of Sorcery Nomad. Dude, that's just a dude. That's just like a very, very long way of saying Blade of Sorcery, bro. Like, am I wrong or am I right or am I right? Like, am I right or am I right? Like, come on, bro. Like, come on now. Come on now. Am I right or am I right, bro? So we're gonna do Isle. Alright, let's use these. So I'm gonna hit just normal. What the? Oh, morning. Okay, let's climb this thing. What the? Yeah, don't do that yet. Dude, these are gonna be so amazing. Oh, mira. Más quality walking and Johnny walking. Más quality here walking around like the zombie walking. Bro, this AI is stupid. What? I do that? It's so stupid of me. Okay, so backstory of what I've actually done. Like, my character has done a crime. Even though, you know, he didn't feel like it. He was drunk. He didn't know. He was like this. Ugh. Damn it! Why the fuck did I do that? Oh, that hurts. Oh, no. No. Hey. 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 Whoa. Whoa. What are you doing? Oh, God. I got my own things too, huh? Let's dance. What did I... No. Oh, no. Fuck. Damn it. I don't care anymore. I really don't care anymore. No, you're not running. Don't you even think about it. My whole squad's in here walking around like the zombie apocalypse. My whole squad's in here walking around like the zombie apocalypse. Alright, I'm gonna change what I look like. Because one thing, and I know that for sure. I want to be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. Without a doubt, undoubtedly. My whole squad here walking around like the zombie apocalypse. My whole squad here walking around like the zombie apocalypse. Wait, here's a flip cell. There. Hey! Oh, God. Nah, bro, I'm flipping out of here. Nah, bro, I'm flipping out of here. Nah, bro, I'm flipping out of here. My whole squad's in here walking around like the zombie apocalypse, like the goddamn. My whole squad's in here walking around like the zombie apocalypse, like the goddamn. Oh, the hidden blades. We have to have the hidden blades. Dude, I know they're not like hidden, but like they're something. Local squad, you're walking around like the zombie apocalypse, like there, in the body. Dude, that's sick. Dude, I still have the flip cell. So that's like a plus. Give me like flip over them and pow pow. Kill him. They get like this. Like that, and then dude, all I need is like the thing. I just need like the armor. And I'm like fully SEO. You never considered and killed, well this is proof of it. My whole squad here walking around like the zombie apocalypse and my body. If you touch me, you're gay. If you hit me, you're gay. That's just the rules of life. Wait. The dueling sword. What happens if I have this as a sword? Don't tell me it's already fucking ended. Oh, fight in progress. Where are they? I'm so dumb. My whole squad here walk around like the zombie apocalypse in Mambadia. In Mambadia. My whole squad's here walk around like the... My whole squad's here walk around like in a zombie apocalypse in Mambadia. My whole squad's here walk around like the zombie apocalypse in Tatadia.